Everyone, it's Evie Lynn and Mark with Me Gone RVing Adventures, and we're full of RV drama, but it is part of owning an older RV. Again, it's a 29-foot Keystone, and she is 21, 22 years old. And when we first got this, there used to be a picture up here on the wall, and when Mark was taking it down, it kind of flung over and it broke this button here. So we trying to pop this off one-handed here. There we go. So we broke this right here, and we're not able to maneuver it very easily. You saw me struggle taking this off, but it's doable. But we really desperately need to replace that, and I'd like to go digital. I'd like to be able to visually see and kind of navigate our usage a little bit better. Today is the first day that we have actually had to put the AC on. It was 99.8 degrees here in the RV. All the windows were open, and I had one small little fan. And so we turned it on for the first time. Mark wasn't here, so I took a gander and went ahead and initiated putting it on. I was a little nervous because what happens if it starts sputtering noise, or I don't know. He's not here to be able to save me. But the AC works great. We're not going to have to replace it. I'm so excited. It's the one thing in the RV that we're not going to have to replace, although it needs to be cleaned. It didn't even smell. When I turned it on, I expected like a smell, and it actually smells like Young Living lemon oil. I have a filter in there. I must have at some point put lemon oil on there, and it smells really good in our RV. But thumbs up, it works. So we have to get this replaced. It looks like it's a dual therm. I'm gonna shop on Amazon because the Prime days are coming up, and Mark and I, we really have to take advantage of any sort of sale, coupon, gifts that people have been really kind enough to bestow upon us. They're excited about our adventures. But we do need to get the RV fully self-sufficient because we are in the progress of having a new business that we are able to work from within the RV, which is going to allow us more freedom to travel. And our first experience with work camping has been wonderful. However, we cannot afford to work for minimum wage. It's not working out for us, and in fact, I don't want to go into it, but it's just not good. We have major bills because of my medical, and we're kind of squeaking by, like literally squeaking by. And we're doing sideline jobs. We're actually running somebody to and from work twice a day, which really puts a lot of damage onto our car, but it is paying us a little sideline cash, and we're so grateful for it. But that's going to be done here in the next week or so. So we're kind of getting nervous. But anyway, so we want to take advantage of the Amazon Prime days coming up, and I'd like to get a digital one because then I can monitor the usage a little bit better and save energy and all that good stuff. I mean, this isn't bad or anything like that. I just kind of want a little more modern, and as we're upgrading the RV, I just would like to have things modern, because at some point we would like to sell this RV and actually upgrade. That's always been our goal, but we need to be comfortable, and baby steps, and that's what we've been doing. So anyway, I'm coming to you, my RV family and friends, and to see what you suggest or what you have done personally in your RV. Did you go with a digital one? Is it hard to install? What brand should I consider? And I am going to start surfing Amazon Prime. I choose Amazon Prime because they have drop boxes everywhere throughout the United States, and as an RVer, it is a dream come true. My sister-in-law periodically will give me an Amazon gift card, and I'm so thankful because I'm able to order anything off of Amazon. And so all my points that I utilize will either go for Red Robin, that is our favorite restaurant, or I utilize them for our Amazon gift cards. They are a lifesaver for most RVers because you can get food, you can get parts. It tends to be a little more expensive, but again, those drop shipping, those drop centers is a lifesaver for any RVer, and I'm sure most of you know what I'm talking about when I say that. So when you see my Amazon products online, you don't have to necessarily buy that particular product. If you click on it and type in the search bar and buy whatever it is that you normally buy from Amazon, we do make a little portion of it, and it takes a lot of sales to even make something worthwhile. Right now I've only made $4 on Amazon, which is kind of bad. I have 90 days to get my butt in gear, otherwise they're going to drop us from the program. And so anyways, that's it. So I'm kind of rambling on because I'm a little nervous and I got a lot of energy, so I'm going to utilize that and go to my computer and try to see what I can come up with. So I'm looking forward to seeing what y'all have to say, what you went with, and what you suggest. Thank you, everyone. I'll talk to you later.